Hey guys, I'm Wadun here again. I found this website online called Strikingly. It's used to build websites and it can help you to build a website in just a few minutes. So if you are new here, I teach people how to build websites using no-code tools and also using AI automations to build your website. So let's dive into the video. You can just get started by going to your browser and typing in strikingly.com. So you're going to see this particular page here. So with this website called Strikingly, you can build websites in just a few minutes. It has a lot of templates which you can make use of and build your own websites, which you can edit within less than an hour, less than 30 minutes. So let's just scroll down. So to get started, you just need to sign up or log in. To sign up is very easy. All you have to do is to put your first name here. To click on get started, so it's going to help you register your website. You can also sign up with Facebook, which you can check out by yourself. So now, after you've signed up, it's going to show you where you can actually pick a template which you want to use. So it supports e-commerce, blogs, membership forms, live chat, and so on. So it has a lot of plugins which you can make use of to build your website to make everything look smooth and beautiful. Alright, so you can view all your templates, and perhaps you have a particular type of website which you want to build. So you can just come here. So you can see online store. For example, you want to build an e-commerce website, click on online store to see a lot of templates about e-commerce. You want to build a business, click on this. You want to build a landing page, you want to build membership and courses and so on. So for my own case, I'm going to just click build a business with this. Now these are business templates which you can make use of. So let's make use of this guy here. So you want to view example how it's going to look once you're done building it. So you can click on view example to see that, and then if you are sure you just want to make use of these templates no matter what, so you can click on start editing. So let's just quickly have a view of how it looks. So you can see, wow, this is a beautiful template, and yeah, it's a beautiful template. So let's see, it's not completed. The loading is not completed yet. So let's go back to Strikingly and see where we can edit our website within a few minutes. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to customize my domain. So you can click on customize domain here. Your domain is actually the address of the website. So you don't want your domain to be some random text or random numbers, which even you might not actually remember sometime later, talk less of your clients or your customers. Right? So you want your domain to be memorable. Right? So you can just click on customize domain, and then here if you want to get a free domain, you have to upgrade to their whole version, right? So just come ahead to make use of their free domain, which you can actually edit. So I would advise that you make use of a name which is memorable and which is usually the name of your business, right? So what business name do you want to use for this website? So let's say I just want to make use of Rockstars. So let's see. So Rockstars. So you click on updates. Okay, so with the same the URL has already been taken. So you can just let me edit this a bit. Rockstar shoes. So you click on update and see. Okay, so Rockstar shoes is available, and then with this I've been able to successfully change my domain. So now let's go back to editing our site. So you can see edit site here. So with this you can be able to start editing your site. So let's quickly go back to preview, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do a bulk edit. So let's say for example you want to edit the style of the website. Probably you want to change your color scheme. You know, we have red color here, and then we have something like bluish gray. I don't know that particular color. And also change your template here. Let's say once you view this template and then see like I'm not satisfied with this template, you can actually go back here and choose some other templates. So I'm not going to do that. So I just want to change the color scheme, and then click here, and then yeah, you can see you can change the colors that you want. So I think blue is okay with this particular color. Yeah, so with that I've been able to change my this color scheme. So all the buttons here is going to be blue. Everything that was red before, they're going to turn blue, which is very simple and very easy, because it gives you consistency on your website, which is actually good for your client. Also, you can change your fonts. Probably they're using Montserrat and Lata. I think I'm okay with the fonts. And also change your header navigation. You can change the layout of your navigation. Because you have some other navigation layout which you can make use of. I think I'm okay with this. But let's check for some other one. Let's check this guy here. Yeah, I think I'm still cool with this. You can also change the color you want for navigation. You can change the padding, the font size. You want it to be a sticky menu, right? Which is actually good. So I think it is on. If you want it off, you can put it off. If you want to add your social media, and then from here you can link your social media. Yeah, I think I want to add the social media. I think it's okay. It's cool by me right now. And then let's check the button. I think we've done this earlier. So if you want to change the color of the button, yeah, I think this is good. Yeah. It has the over once the button is on over, I think everything is there. Also, you want to also add some animation, page scroll, none, slide in. I want to put the slide in. Then for background, I want to put it in. If you want, you can put it in parallax, or you can put it in fixed. And with this, we have a lot of plain background, so I think fixed will be okay. I'll just put it to none. So image link over, I want to put it to something like a zoom in. So let's see. Image link over. So it's going to zoom in once we view the website. Okay, so let's quickly go back. Yeah, okay. Also, you can also work on your store. I think this is an e-commerce store, as you can all see. So you can change your products, you can change your shipping, you can work on product review, tags, and so on. You can upload your products from here. If you want to add a new product, you can add products. You can also import products from other websites. Probably you have a website built somewhere before, and then you want to import the website to Strikingly. So from here, you just have to download your products from there, from that particular site. Then you can upload the CSV here. So you can see Strikingly has made things very easy. Okay, so you want to add another section to this particular page. So let's say I want to add a section to this particular section. You can click on here, and then you want to. So it also has a lot of built-in templates which make your design process to be very fast and swift, and everything will be clean. So if you want to add an email, you want to add the text, you want to add the call to action, you want to add the gallery, contact forms, and so on. So you can do all that from here. So if you scroll down, you're going to see everything that you actually need. And then Strikingly has actually made things to be very easy. So you can see these are creative portfolios which you can use, and everything is already mobile responsive. You don't need to work on the mobile responsiveness anymore. So let's just check on mobile responsive. So you can see you can just work on some things from here to make everything to be more responsive. Okay, let's go back to review. Then once you are done working on your website, you can just click on publish, and then once you hit publish, you're going to publish your website to become live. So let's click on just publish free websites. So Rockstar Shoes, yeah, I want to use this rockstarshoes.mystrikingly.com. I want to change the site to Rockstar Shoes. Click on publish now, and then your site is going to be live. So yeah, I'm not going to just do this because I just want to show you guys a easy way to do this. So with this, your website is live, and then it's okay to show this to your clients once you are satisfied with everything here. this is it. This is the site which we just built with Strikingly. So if you guys have learned anything from this video, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. I might probably actually do a full tutorial on how to make use of Strikingly. If you want that, you can just type in the comment section Strikingly tutorial, and I'm going to do a complete tutorial on how to work with Strikingly and build a complete website for yourself with other pages. So I'll see you guys in the next video.